Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I decided to finally make a video. I wanted to talk about a few things in this video, and also I want to talk about Pinterest for Redbubble. But before we talk about Pinterest for Redbubble, I want to get some things straight. I am not uploading to Redbubble anymore because I just don't really have the time. I don't really feel it, I don't enjoy it, etc, etc. But my question to you is, do you still want me to make Redbubble content even though I'm not uploading to it? So what I am proposing is I will do streams, and also I have like a million ideas for videos already, but I feel inauthentic, or whatever the word is, unauthentic, if I'm making videos about something that I'm not actively doing in my own time. But please let me know in the comments if you still want me to make Redbubble content and whatever content, even if I'm not really doing those things. Because remember, I am a professional SEO, I do have a million ideas, and I am very good at thinking outside the box, as you guys know. But I feel like a fraud if I'm making videos about something that I'm not actively doing myself. So let me know in the comments, please. It's really, really important to me that you guys actually let me know. And if not, I might have to just start making pure SEO content, because I'm a professional SEO. I do SEO every single day, and I know a hell of a lot about SEO, so I might have to move away from Redbubble. Let me know what you guys think. But anyway, let's talk about Pinterest. I'm just gonna write P-I for Redbubble. So this was a video idea that I proposed in a post on the content tab, on the community tab of my YouTube. And what I wanted to talk about was I think it's like a misunderstanding, especially by me. I don't know if other people do this, but basically what I saw Pinterest as was something similar to Instagram. Right? So like you post a picture and the picture either pops off or it just dies, right? Kind of like YouTube. YouTube has a very, very similar algorithm to Instagram. I feel like they're like, if this video or picture does well at the beginning, we will promote it. If it doesn't, we will pretend to promote it, and then eventually it will just die anyway, okay? And then obviously there is some organic here on YouTube for sure. I like 60%. When I stop posting, like I haven't posted for a month, when I stop posting, I still get 1,000 views every 48 hours. And 80% of that is from YouTube and Google search. So there is a lot of organic potential on YouTube. But Pinterest is actually more like Quora. So I don't know if people really understand or have used Quora or whatever. I'm really, really good at Quora. I'm just gonna throw that out there. My income stream surfer account on Quora has like, I think over 100,000 views. I have one Quora account with 1.5 million content views. So that might be a good video idea as well, is Quora. I don't know how we could work print on demand into Quora, but Pinterest actually works like Quora. And the way Quora works is people ask a question, okay? And then that question there is a possibility that if you answer a question and you answer it well, there is potential for that answer to be number one on Google, which is how I got 1.5 million views on one Quora account, okay? So what the hell has this got to do with Pinterest? Pinterest works in a very similar way. When you create the board, okay, the board, I'm talking about boards here, okay? So what you want to do on Pinterest, this is the strategy I've been working on. Not working on in my head, let me get that clear. I'm not actually doing this myself. I don't have any case studies, which is why I don't like doing these videos anymore, which is why I haven't made a video for so long, because I just don't like doing this without case studies. Someone keeps saying, where are the case studies? I agree with you, but I'm not doing the case studies. So it's up to you if you guys want me to continue with this kind of content or not. But anyway, I know how these things work though, okay? Let me just get that clear. I know exactly how these things work. I've been in this industry for 6 or 7 years. I study it all the time. I know how to grow on the internet, okay? As you can see from my YouTube. So I don't have case studies, but I do know what I'm talking about. You create a board, and on that board there's a description, okay, there's a title. And if you remember, maybe 2 months back, I was talking a lot about using Medium. Medium works in the same way as these. Medium is a way to take a slice of the SERP for yourself, okay? Quora is a way to take a slice of the SERP for yourself, okay? Pinterest is the same. It's a way to take a result on Google, and you can make the title whatever you want. So I was talking about using Medium to be like best 30 stickers for mobile, for phones, for Samsung Galaxies, best wall hangings for your, best vintage wall hangings for your house, or whatever, okay? But Medium for that is not as good as Pinterest. Pinterest is better. When I'm doing research on Redbubble, one of the most popular, the most frequent websites that comes out, first of all, there's Amazon every single time. Second, so get on merch by Amazon if you can. Second of all, there is always Pinterest, okay? And I didn't realize, I thought Pinterest was like Instagram, but it's not, okay? You can use Pinterest. So let me show you how, or let me tell you how. First of all, you make the board, okay? And you call it like whatever you want. Think about your niche. Think about how people will find things they want to buy for your niche. Let's say you're selling dog stickers, no, dog bandanas, right? Dog bandanas. What you need to do is you need to find out how people find the type of dog bandana that they want to buy, okay? So a really, really good way to do that, actually. Let me just quickly show you how to do that. Okay, so what we're actually going to do is we're going to use keyword tool, okay? And this is a live test. I've never done this before. Dog bandana. Is that how you spell bandana? Maybe. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to look for words like pattern, okay? And then you want to go back up and you want to search pattern into this. And you want to see if there's some kind of pattern that people like specifically, and then you want to make like best dog bandana pattern or whatever it might be, okay? Another way to do it is to go on Google, type in best dog bandana for, and then see if there's something here, okay? For hiking, best dog bandana for hiking, right? I don't know, it's just an example. Best, that's perfect. Best dog bandana for wedding. Live test, Control F, Pinterest. Open this. Is this a board or, yep, it's a pin. Look at that, it's a print on demand product. Honestly guys, I know what I'm talking about. You should listen to me. I know I don't have case studies, but you can see that worked. That was a live test. I've never done this before. So in my methods, you can watch, I'll leave my playlist at the end of this video, but you can find keywords, and what you want to do is you want to work the keywords into this title. You want to grab your slice of the SERP, and for every single product you want to have a board, so like best whatever it is, and then you also want to make a pin, and then you want to pin your pins to your board and connect everything up, and this will just massively increase your visibility. One of the biggest things that you have to understand about SEO generally is visibility. The more websites you're on, the more social media you do, the more sales you make. It's obvious, but people tend to forget. People look at Pinterest and they say, oh, that only got a few impressions in the first however long. But if you really, really nail down the SEO, put in keywords here, using my keyword methods, I promise you, you will make increased sales. Let me know what you think about me continuing to make videos about Redbubble when I'm not really using it. I want to do streams. I already have video ideas, etc., etc. So just let me know. And thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for all the support. Thanks for almost 7,000 subscribers. It's completely crazy for me. I love all you guys, and as usual, peace out.